Well, the last portion of this build will be to finish up the top portion of the tank stand to look like the bottom. I'm going to start with the border pieces that are going to overlap and match the outside perimeter exactly to the tank, giving a 1/8 of an inch all the way around. That way this top portion can be removed easily. Here's a quick fitting just to see how it's going to slide onto the tank. And you'll notice that as I'm building it, there's only going to be 3 full sides of the bottom portion of it, where the black border is. That way we can slide it on and off the tank, and that one side of the border will be removable and attached with magnets. And now I'm going to finish up the rest of this top portion exactly like the bottom, but I'm going to use less materials or thinner materials to keep the weight down. Here's a quick look at the inside of the top while it's on the tank. I've got all the lights hooked up, coming up through the center of the overflow, and the top panels are removable just like the bottom. And right here I'm going to be putting on the last border piece. It's basically where our main access is to the top of the tank. We can pull this off, disconnect it from the lights, and actually pull the entire top piece off of the tank. This is the last part of the build. I appreciate you watching, and here are some last photos to look at of the tank completed.